everyone! So today I'm going to talk about hormone replacement therapy to stay young. Because women at those period of time, they actually take hormone replacement therapy to stay young, and they continue taking until their 60s. In fact, when the reports came out that there's more cancer, I tell you, there are a lot of women who can't stop the hormone replacement therapy. I still remember that time when we asked the women to stop. It's so difficult to stop because they're enjoying it. They look at themselves, they're in their 60s, but they still look 40s. So nice, isn't it? Don't want to stop. Even if the report say you get cancer, you still don't want to stop because you look young and you feel young. You feel good, active, energetic, young. Who doesn't want, right? So unfortunately, that's why I always say there's no such thing as a pill for longevity. So you can't stay young forever using a pill. There's no shortcut to it. You have to age, you have to age. But we have a second problem now, because as I say, women love to stay young. So what happened? Now we say you don't take hormone replacement therapy because it's no good. You know, there's so many reports that say you can get cancer if you take after you menopause. Then women will still find something. They buy collagen lah. They eat other forms of hormones. They buy hormones in the form of supplement, so-called supplement and so-called natural. But it's the same. If you are going to take hormones after you menopause, it doesn't matter whether the hormone come from your gynae, or the hormones come from supplement, or the hormone come from natural sources. It is still the same. It will still cause the same problem. That is cancer. So it's not advisable to do that. Okay? I will share with you a bit on what are the tips to stay young later. So the key is you have to take it only when you are young. But when you have reached a certain age, that you're supposed to menopause, you're supposed to age. You have to age. Have to be able to accept it that, oh, I already menopause, I'm going to grow old from now onwards. It's normal, it's a normal process. I have to accept it. Don't take hormones when you're already in your 50s and 60s, you know. So that's all for now. Thank you. Bye-bye.